Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to be making a facial serum. We're going to make a facial serum using aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is rich in antioxidants that help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It is also good for clearing hyperpigmentation on the skin. It is also great for cooling the skin. The aloe vera gel, when used on the skin, will help your skin to have that natural glow, help to get rid of acne, blackheads, and whitehead on the skin, since it is also rich in antibacterial properties. When you use the aloe vera on your skin, it will keep the skin cool. A tip about using aloe vera on the skin, whether you're using the store-bought like mine here or you are using the fresh aloe vera gel, you can choose to chill it in the refrigerator and then use it on the skin. We're going to make a serum out of this aloe vera gel, an anti-aging facial serum, a serum that you can use on your skin AM and PM and watch your skin transform to a more youthful looking skin. So if you're interested to see how I use the aloe vera gel to make a facial serum, continue watching. Now this aloe vera gel is the khichibeauty aloe vera gel, 99% pure aloe vera gel. I'll put the link in the description box for you where you can get this to purchase on our website ALESMAXii.com. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Now let's put this serum together. And I'm first going to go through all the ingredients and the amount that we are going to be using. So my first ingredient is coffee, and this is freshly brewed coffee. You can use a tablespoon of ground coffee, pour about a quarter cup of hot water over it, let it sit for 5 minutes or so, and there you get your freshly brewed coffee. So for this coffee, I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of the coffee. Now coffee is rich in caffeine. It helps to boost circulation, help with collagen formation in the skin. Coffee also helps to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So 1 tablespoon of coffee. Make sure that the coffee is cooled room temperature. Next, I'm going to be using some honey, and honey is rich in antibacterial properties. It is a humectant that helps to lock moisture in the skin. When you use honey on the skin, it helps to moisturize and hydrates the skin, keeping your skin soft, smooth, and supple. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the honey. We do not need a lot. 1 teaspoon of the honey. We're going to add this to the bowl along with our coffee, and we are going to totally dissolve the honey in the coffee. Now if you do not have honey and you have vegetable glycerine, you can go ahead and use it. Whether vegetable glycerine or regular glycerine, you can use it instead of the honey. And now we are going to mix, and we are mixing well, dissolving the honey in the coffee. This recipe, you can also choose to use green tea instead of coffee. Make it your own. So you have green tea, you have coffee as 2 base to make this remedy. You can also choose to do them alternatively. By this week you use the coffee and next week you use the green tea. And now we are going to move on to my next ingredient, and this is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is hydrating. It's a very popular ingredient to use to get rid of sunburn on the skin. It also helps to cool the skin. It helps to reduce wrinkles. It helps to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. It's just an all-rounder ingredient to use in your skincare products. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. If you have fresh aloe vera gel, you can also use it in this recipe. So 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. And now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well. Mix in coffee, honey, and aloe vera gel. We're making an anti-aging, skin firming, skin hydrator facial serum. So totally dissolve the aloe vera gel in the mix. Now when you start to mix this with the aloe vera gel, you're going to notice that this is now starting to get really a gel-like consistency, and this is exactly how you want it to be. So continue to mix. Now for this recipe, guys, you can choose to make it into the serum, and you can also choose to turn this into a moisturizer. If you're going to use it as a moisturizer, go ahead and add your favorite oils to it, put it in the blender and blend blend it to a creamy consistency. However, today we are using it as a serum, so we're not going to add any oil to it. We're going to reach for some rose water, and rose water is very hydrating to the skin, up to balance the natural pH levels of the skin. I'm using about a tablespoon of the rose water. Pour this in. Now here I have my final ingredient, which is an optional ingredient. It is vegetable glycerine. I'm using this for its hydrating properties, but more so I'm using it for its preservative properties. This will help to keep your facial serum for about 2 to 3 days longer, so making it about 10 days instead of 7. Now when we pour this in, we're pouring about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine, and now we're going to blend, and we are going to blend well. Mix and mix well. This serum is going to be jelly-like consistency. However, it is water-based, so it's just going to absorb in the skin. Once everything is totally blended, the honey, the coffee, the vegetable glycerine, the aloe vera is totally combined, then the serum is now complete. What I like to do with this serum, I like to store it in the refrigerator, make it chill in the refrigerator before I use it on the skin. This serum is good for most skin type. This serum can be used directly on the skin. Once you get out of the shower, you pat dry the skin, apply a toner, and then apply the serum. If you do not have a toner, you can go ahead and you can just apply the serum. Once you apply the serum, then you are gonna apply your moisturizer. If you're using this as a moisturizer, you can add the oils and use it as a standalone. And now let me pour this in my small bottle. Make sure your container is sterilized. And now our facial toner is ready to use on the skin. As I mentioned earlier, store it in the refrigerator and use it on your skin AM and PM. It's a toner that you can use to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boosts collagen and elastin, hydrates the skin, keep the skin cool. You can even choose to spritz this over your makeup if you're going out in the sun. For this toner, if you want to kick it up a notch, you can also choose to add a few drops of hyaluronic acid. Now to use the serum, you're going to apply about 2 to 3 drops on the skin. You're going to massage it on the face, the neck, and décolleté, and you're going to use this daily on the skin. Good to use AM and PM for best result. Use under your makeup or above your makeup.